Okay, well, now we're getting ready to put this sucker back together.
Yep. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, because this is all bone, as you can see. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put a little smoothing clay, because look, they plastered right over all the bone. And then they use the coarse back then nails, which are actually driven into the bone that we can't get out. So anyway, I'm being lazy today. I crashed my back again.
Always something to do.
It is. My sergeant always says, there's always something with you, Testa. Huh? So, no, that's what I was thinking too. You know? Not that I want to stick. Use the Mike Frater smoothing method. Just trying to finesse it. Well, she better show up today or we're going to be in big trouble. Because we got all the birds in.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to inject them antlers yesterday?
Not too long because they weren't really wanting to accept it too much. So
Yeah, it's pretty. I'm surprised some are still.
he says he was a skag, but I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, you know. You know, it's really funny. They always think they can fool their taxiderm. You know. So my guy that went to Texas, right? And he finally got him not to tube the net. And then I asked him to leave the legs tubed, at least.
Yeah.
Because normally I don't care if they're tubed or not, but when we know we're going to do a pedestal, right? So why not just on that situation, right?
Yeah.
We could leave them tubed.
Yeah.
You know, the legs, and it's hilarious. They couldn't tube a leg. You know, they can only tube. Like I said, they can skin a.
Yeah, they can skin a buffalo out through a 6-inch hole in the neck, but they can't tube a leg out.
Nope. Do you believe they tubed that? That still blows my mind, you know. And then Mike said he got that one moose in was tubed.
Yeah.
And he goes, can you imagine the punishment of tubing a moose, right? And that's where he come up with this phrase, we couldn't hurt them more if we hit them with a hammer.
Yep.
And they hurt themselves. And then they mock us
Yeah.
our you know, primitive methods.
Yeah.
But Mike said you couldn't even need to sew them, you know what I mean? Got like 6-inch hair if you can't.
Yeah.
Remember how it was like bug-eyed? I don't want to change it too much, but I think we ought to put a little bit.
Yeah.
You know? A little brow. And a little around the gland.
Yeah.
Because.
Jeff?
Yeah?
That doctor's not working today and will not call us back till tomorrow afternoon.
Oh no.
I said, no, that doesn't work. I said, we have a dog on the 3rd day of not eating. Do we force feed food with medication? What do we do? And she goes, all I can say is doctor told me we'll be back tomorrow afternoon and we'll call you later in the afternoon. I go, no, that doesn't work.
No. Can we get in to see Bailey today or?
Nope.
Well, let's look at each other now, what, Rick?
Hey.
Yeah. Yep. No.
Share, cream of coffee.
Yeah.
thing
Mm-hmm.
and walk away.
Yep.
We can't hard the seam, cause it won't,
Yeah.
we'll never get them out.
Yeah. True.
And I don't know what I was gonna do about all this, but all I can tell you is Putty's our buddy.
Yep.
Okay. How about check on the dog? Oh, Matt?
Lower this so we can see.
Oh. Well, they could see me underneath, they couldn't see you. Looks like we did it again.
Did the impossible.
It just took us longer.
A little bit, not too much longer.
It was an interesting adventure,
Yeah, for sure.
because we learned that if we wanna tack this down, I gotta go find some, have some little brads somewhere around here.
Yeah.
So I'll tack that down, but you know, hey,
No, came out pretty good for what we did.
and remember, before we get critiqued on the ice, that's, if you look at how it was,
Yep.
I mean, that's the whole purpose of this exercise.
Yep.
It wasn't to make it brand new, it was to mimic the original
Absolutely.
100-year-old deal.
Yep.
Well, alright. Another fine mess you've gotten me into.
I think we got out of it.
Well, that's two.
Yep.
We remounted that other one from that Brand X taxidermy.
Yep.
Saved that cape. What's next?
Only time will tell.
I know what's next for us. Shay's over there in the corner with some birds for us to
Yeah.
help her with. God help us. Alright, we'll see you next time on Matt and Chuck's Excellent Adventures.